Did you know that after age 60, your muscles are disappearing at an alarming rate? After 50-60 years, muscle strength gradually decreases about 1.5% per year. But there's one daily routine that doctors have discovered can reverse years of muscle loss, restoring your strength like you're 40 again. 99% of seniors have never heard of this scientifically proven method I'm about to reveal. This routine has helped thousands of seniors regain their strength, mobility, and confidence. Stay with me until the end to discover how you can feel decades younger in just minutes a day. 1. Resistance training, the foundation of the miracle routine. Have you noticed how much harder everyday tasks have become lately? That's not just normal aging. It's a medical condition called sarcopenia that's robbing you of your independence. The good news? Resistance training is the only proven activity to slow the progression of this muscle loss and reduce its effects. The Journal of Gerontology published a groundbreaking study showing that seniors who incorporated simple resistance exercises into their daily routine saw a 30% increase in muscle strength in just 12 weeks. That's right, in just 3 months, you could regain years of lost muscle. Wouldn't you like to move with the ease and confidence you had decades ago? Let's start with wall push-ups. Simply place your palms against the wall and do a pushing motion to strengthen your arms and upper body. Start with 8 to 10 repetitions. This gentle movement activates your chest, shoulders, and arm muscles without putting strain on your joints. Feel that gentle burn? That's your muscles waking up after years of hibernation. Next, chair squats are essential for lower body strength. Sit at the edge of a chair, keep your abdomen contracted, and slowly rise until completely standing. Do 10 repetitions. This powerful movement strengthens your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, the exact muscles you need for getting up from chairs and climbing stairs. Finally, heel raises complete your resistance routine. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, rise onto your toes and hold for 1 to 2 seconds before lowering. Repeat 15 times. The American Journal of Physical Medicine found that seniors who strengthened their calf muscles reduced their fall risk by up to 40%. Isn't preventing falls worth a few minutes of your day? 2. The mobility exercises that revolutionize your body. Why have doctors been keeping mobility exercises a secret from you? Because mobility is the essential foundation for building muscle strength. Dr. Elizabeth Matthews, a leading geriatric specialist, explains that tight, inflexible joints create a chain reaction that weakens surrounding muscles and accelerates aging. The Journal of Aging and Physical Activity published a study showing that seniors who improved their joint mobility saw a 25% increase in muscle function without any additional strength training. These 3 mobility movements will lubricate your joints, improve your range of motion, and create the perfect foundation for building new muscle. Let's begin with knee extensions. While seated, extend one leg completely, hold for a few seconds, and lower it back down. Repeat with the other leg to strengthen your quadriceps. This gentle movement lubricates your knee joint while strengthening the muscles that support it. Do you know that knee stiffness is one of the earliest signs of muscle loss? Next, try wrist flexor and extensor stretches. Extend one arm in front of you and gently pull the fingers back. Then, flip your palm down and press gently. Your wrists are involved in almost every daily activity, from opening jars to writing notes. When was the last time you gave them the attention they deserve? Complete your mobility routine with seated leg lifts. Sit in a sturdy chair and slowly lift one leg as high as comfortable while keeping it straight. Hold and lower. The National Institute on Aging confirms that hip mobility directly correlates with fall prevention and walking stability. Isn't it time you reclaimed your freedom of movement? 3. The balance training that prevents falls and strengthens your core. Did you know that 1 in 4 Americans aged 65 plus falls each year? This statistic is terrifying, but here's what your doctor isn't telling you. Balance training not only prevents falls, but also strengthens the deep core muscles that support your entire body. Are you willing to risk becoming part of that frightening statistic? The connection between balance and strength is so powerful that the American College of Sports Medicine now recommends balance training as essential for seniors, even more important than cardio exercise. When you challenge your balance, your body activates deep core muscles that support your spine and improve your posture. Imagine moving with confidence again. Start with weight transfer exercises. Standing with feet shoulder-width apart, transfer weight to one foot and lift the opposite heel from the floor. Alternate feet for 30 seconds. This simple movement strengthens your ankles and improves proprioception, your body's awareness of its position in space. Have you noticed how uncertain your footing has become lately? Next, practice standing on one foot. Hold onto a sturdy chair for support and lift one foot off the ground for 10-15 seconds, then alternate. The Harvard Medical School reports that this single exercise, practiced daily, can reduce fall risk by up to 35%. When was the last time you felt truly steady on your feet? Complete your balance routine with straight line walking. Walk in a straight line, placing one foot directly in front of the other, as if walking on a tightrope. Use a wall for support if needed. This exercise strengthens the small, stabilizing muscles in your hips and core that keep you upright and stable. Don't you want to walk with confidence again? 4. The strategic walking that amplifies your results. Are you wasting your walking time? Most seniors don't realize that how you walk matters more than how far you walk. Daily walks are low-impact, accessible exercises that establish the foundation for developing muscle tone after 60. Walking activates all the major muscles in your body, but only if you do it correctly. The New England Journal of Medicine found that seniors who walked strategically just 30 minutes daily had 40% more leg strength than sedentary peers after 6 months. The key word is strategically. Not all walking is created equal. Are you ready to transform your daily stroll into a muscle-building powerhouse? Try this walking technique that maximizes muscle gain. One renowned fitness expert used to wear 1 kilo's ankle weights when walking, combining the benefits of cardio with strength training. Start without weights and gradually add them as you get stronger. Can you feel how this engages your muscles differently? Here's your progressive walking plan for quick results. Start with 10 minutes daily in the first week. Increase by 5 minutes weekly until reaching 30 minutes. Walk at a pace that allows you to talk, but not sing. Add small hills for greater challenge. Wouldn't you love to feel strong and energetic again after just a few weeks? Remember to engage your core while walking by standing tall and pulling your navel toward your spine. This simple adjustment activates your abdominal muscles with every step. The Journal of Physiotherapy reports that engaged core walking builds 23% more muscle than regular walking. Isn't it amazing how small changes can make such a big difference? 5. The specific nutrition that feeds your muscles. Are you sabotaging your strength with your fork? The truth is, no amount of exercise can overcome poor nutrition. For older adults doing resistance training, a daily intake of 1 to 1.3 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight is recommended. Divide it equally among your meals to maximize muscle protein synthesis. A landmark study in the Journal of Nutrition found that seniors who increased their protein intake saw twice the muscle gains from exercise compared to those who didn't adjust their diet. Your muscles literally cannot rebuild without the right building blocks. Are you giving your body what it needs to grow stronger? The top 5 protein sources for seniors include animal sources like meat, eggs, and milk that provide all essential amino acids. Add legumes, nuts, fish, and lean dairy to your daily menu. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that dairy protein is particularly effective for seniors due to its faster absorption rate. Have you checked your protein intake lately? Don't miss the post-workout metabolic window. To maximize muscle growth and improve recovery, consume a drink or meal with a carbohydrate to protein ratio of about 3.1 within 30 minutes after your workout. This perfectly timed nutrition can increase muscle synthesis by up to 25%, according to research from the International Society of Sports Nutrition. Hydration is equally crucial for muscle health. The Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that even mild dehydration reduces strength by up to a stunning 19%. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily, more on exercise days. Could something as simple as drinking more water really make you stronger? The research says yes. This simple daily routine isn't just about building muscles. It's about reclaiming your independence, preventing falls, strengthening your bones, and adding quality years to your life. Even if you've lost muscle mass, it doesn't mean it's gone forever. Older adults can absolutely increase lost muscle mass with the right approach. With just 30 minutes a day following this science-backed routine, you can restore the strength you had at 40. Imagine moving through your day with confidence, energy, and freedom. No more asking for help with jars, groceries, or getting up from chairs. No more fear of falls or declining health. You deserve to live your best life at any age. If you're committed to restoring your strength and reclaiming your independence, type "I'm ready" in the comments right now. Subscribe to our channel for our free guide with the complete detailed routine. Hit the notification bell to be alerted whenever we publish new content that can transform your health. And if this video helped you, please like it so we can help more people just like you. Don't forget to check out our other videos to continue your journey to health and vitality.